Hey everyone, in this video we are going to wrap up DraftingS, and first thing we want to do is come in once again, edit our sketch. Now a few things that we have to wrap up here are just adding a few dimension lines. Remember, that is as simple as now going in, selecting the dimension line or dimension tool, and then we should be able to hover over our point that we need to grab, select another point, and then move that up, down, to find their dimension. Drop it to place it, hit enter to add it. We shouldn't have to change it if it's in the right location. If it was in the wrong spot, you could change it here also. Now the next thing is, we got to do that with our other dimension here in our circle, and that is selecting the middle circle, other circle, sliding over to the left hand edge, dropping that, hitting enter. Once again, edit it if you need to. And then the same thing over here on the other circle. Start with that middle point, the end point we're going from, sliding to the bottom, dropping, hitting enter. That's right. Once again from the middle to that same point, sliding straight up this time, sorry, straight out to grab that 7/8 and dropping that. Enter. Now that we have all of our dimensions, we should be able to hit finish sketch. Now that we have that, there is some more wrapping up we could do as far as turning these lines black. We could add more constraints, but I'm still figuring that out, so that's what we're going to leave this video off at. With that being said, what we want to do next is making sure we can turn it in. So we want to come up here to our sketch. We want to right click this and be able to say show dimensions so we can see your dimensions. Right? And the next thing we want to do is we want to go to File. We want to go to, sorry, not File. Save this, by the way, first. And after we do that, we want to go up here and we want to go into our capture image. So File, Capture Image. And what we want to do is we want to do our current document window size. That's fine. And we want to hit OK here. The next thing it's asking is what do we want to name it. This should be fine as far as our overall name being 3.1 DraftingS. We don't have to have a version after that if you don't want it. With that being said, we can go either PNG or JPEG here. Either one works just fine, and we want to hit save. All right. Now that we have that saved, over here on the left-hand edge, we should see a PNG or a JPEG of our final piece that we just did. All right. Mine is over here on the left-hand edge. Oh, you got to refresh it because the new one just popped in. All right. And we should have ours right here. All right, we should be able to double click it to open it up. I think this is it. And once we get in, we should be able to download it. All right. Download features over here. Once we have that download ready to go, that download should be our submission for this assignment. Hope this works out well. Hope it works out with as little or a few quirks as possible. And we're moving on to the Drafting C. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.